Welcome back to Automotive Territory. Just like we promised, here's the second batch of the freshest sports cars with classic designs and gorgeous restomods that put to shame modern coach building projects. Subscribe to our channel and let's continue our journey into the era when grass was greener and cars were beautiful. Enjoy the ride! Zagato AGTZ Twin-Tail. The Italian boutique automaker Zagato was approached by the Polish marketing company Squadra for a special commission that would pay homage to the legendary Alpine A220. Despite not claiming the Le Mans title in 1969, this racer generated a cult following, mostly for its unseen short-to-longtail conversion. For this build, Zagato selected a modern car by Alpine and reshaped it to aerodynamic perfection. The A110 received new body panels and one-of-a-kind twin-tail design. The long-tail version is reserved for track days when supreme aerodynamics is a must, while the short tail would be used for daily cruising. The underpinnings of the Alpine Grand Touring Zagato, aka AGTZ, have not been disclosed, but we would assume that this model is still powered by a modified version of the turbo 1.8-liter four-cylinder coupled with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. In the Alpine A110R, this mill makes 296 horsepower and will get you to 60 in 3.9 seconds. The AGTZ Twin-Tail will be limited to 19 units, which are about 6 times more expensive than the most heavily packed Alpine sports car. Totem Automobili GTA. Totem Automobili built their business around bringing to the market the ultimate Alfa Romeo Giulia that never was. Since 2021, this Italian startup has been taking original chassis of the Giulia GT Junior, stiffening them up and ascending them to the 21st century. This ultimate restomod gets a carbon fiber monocoque, carbon fiber body panels, billet aluminum double wishbone suspension, and Brembo brakes front and rear. The original Totem GTA was an eco-friendly Gran Turismo with an all-electric 590 horsepower motor. But its further modifications returned to more traditional gas-burning setups from Italtecnica engineering. The Totem GT Super received a 2.8-liter V6 named Gloria, which claims the title of the world's most compact and lightweight twin-turbo V6 ever produced. And finally, the most recent arrival from this coach builder is the GTAmodificata, destined to become an all-time classic restomod of modern times. This vehicle will be limited to just 5 units. It gets a fully exposed carbon fiber body, a wide body kit, 6 headlight design, Dimag 2-piece wheels, and Pirelli Trofeo tires. With a weight of just 2,414 pounds, its 3.2-liter V6 transfers to the rear wheels 810 horsepower through a 6-speed sequential gearbox. The final touch of every automobile make is the interiors, which are decorated with the finest Italian leathers, fabrics, Alcantara, and old-school styled instruments. Frontline Cars MGB LE60. This British restomod expert is marking 60 years of the MGB with an unprecedented model, the first in the brand's history to incorporate a V8 engine. Limited to just 30 units globally, the groundbreaking LE60 model boasts a widened track and body to house larger 16-inch wheels, along with a range of exclusive color options and personalized accents for discerning customers. To handle this substantial increase in power, the LE60 undergoes a comprehensive chassis redesign and is equipped with a custom suspension system developed in collaboration with Nitron. Achieving near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, this coupe features a double wishbone front suspension and a 6-link setup with Nitron coilovers at the rear. Frontline's most potent creation yet harnesses a modified 4.8-liter Rover V8 engine, delivering an impressive 375 horsepower and 312 pound-feet of torque, 3 times the power of the original model. To complement this performance, each LE60 is equipped with a Tramic gearbox, upgraded brake package, and a limited-slip differential. Inside, standard features include meticulously crafted leather and Alcantara upholstery, a premium sound system, and Bluetooth connectivity for a luxurious and connected driving experience. Maturo Lancia Delta Stradale. This 10-unit exclusive resto mod from Maturo is based on one of the tamest rally racers from Lancia, the 1990s Group A Delta Integrale. It serves as a perfect clean slate for the project, allowing to introduce multiple modifications while keeping the original design and feel. The Delta Stradale starts with a cleaned up and stripped Delta chassis that is seam welded across 250 weak points, is fitted with an FIA-approved custom roll cage, and is equipped with an electronically controlled ride height suspension. To make the car lighter, the bodywork is recreated in carbon fiber, contributing to a total weight of 2,670 pounds. Under the hood, the Stradale keeps the original 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder that is rebuilt to a Group A specification and is fitted with various new components. With modern injection, motorsports ECU and carbon airbox, the revised mill now returns 400 horses and 398 pound-feet. It is matched to a 5-speed manual gearbox, upgradable to an optional dogleg transmission with straight cut gears. There are also updated limited slip differentials front and rear, plus a new viscous center differential. By smashing the like button, you will encourage us to continue covering classic cars and resto mods. Ask for more in the comment section. Let's keep rolling. AMR ePower Ford Mustang. The British Alan Mann racing team, in collaboration with the Pennsylvania-based Mann ePower Cars, converts classic Ford Mustangs using a powerful electric motor and a modern chassis. The conversion starts with stripping down any of the 1960s Mustangs to the bare bone and discarding the original 8-cylinder engine. The remaining mechanical parts are then either refurbished or replaced with new parts sourced by AMR to retain as much as possible from the original 1960s look. In order to accommodate the new powertrain and extra weight, AMR applies numerous chassis upgrades, including an independent double wishbone suspension, modern brakes with bigger calipers and rotors, a torsion limited slip differential, and a regenerative braking system. The interior, despite keeping most of its old-school flair, has been enhanced with comfort features such as climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, a video display, and racing seats. AMR equips the electric Mustang with a single E-motor on the rear axle, rated for 300 horsepower and 662 pound-feet of torque. This power allows the modernized Mustang to sprint from a standstill to 60 in just 5.1 seconds. Everrati Porsche 911 Signature Wide Body. The first Everrati to be built in the US is a part of the brand's 911 Signature Wide Body series, based on the 964 generation of the model. Manufactured in cooperation with Aria Group in California, the model is painted in stunning Mexico blue and is titled the Pacific Commission, which is the unofficial name of the brand's US division. The car is brought into motion by two OEM-grade electric motors wired to a 62 kWh battery pack. This is Everrati's Gen 2 setup that brings improved cooling, new drive controller, and revised software. The motors produce a total of 500 horses, delivered to the rear wheels through the help of Quaife ATB torque biasing differential. There is also enough torque to ensure standstill to 60 acceleration of 4 seconds, while the battery units will last you 200 miles on a single charge. The new carbon fiber bodywork is designed specifically to improve aerodynamics and achieve minimal weight at the same time. Other modernizations include a new track-type electronically controlled suspension system, regenerative braking, and new cabin heating and AC. Lotus Type 66. Back in 1970s, Lotus founder Colin Chapman tasked Team Lotus to create a racer that would participate in the high-profile and commercially lucrative Can-Am series. But unfortunately, this project would not see the light of day for 53 years. As a part of Lotus's 75th anniversary celebration, the company reached out to Clive Chapman, son of the iconic founder, to obtain the technical drawings and resurrect the long-lost project. The result is a limited production run of 10 units of the rediscovered and reimagined Lotus Type 66, blending retro aesthetics and liveries with modern engineering solutions to meet contemporary performance and safety standards. The design of the Lotus Type 66 underwent extensive refinement through over 1,000 hours of computational fluid dynamics analysis, yielding a remarkable 1,760 pounds of downforce at 150 miles per hour. Powering the supercar is a period-appropriate mid-mounted V8 pushrod engine, drawing air through the iconic Can-Am-inspired air intake trumpets and delivering a formidable 830 horsepower at 8,800 RPM. Enhancing its track prowess, the new Type 66 features race ABS, a sequential gearbox, an anti-stall multi-plate clutch, and a fixed rollover bar. Are you a fan of retro sports cars, or do you prefer modern, aggressive, and aerodynamically superior styling for high-performance autos? Let's meet up for a discussion in the comments below. Make sure to ask for more and smash the like button to encourage us to cover extra content about classic automobiles. The link to the last week's Retro Sports Cars episodes is on the screen. May the torque be with you!